Now if you listen to it, you can hear it's got a little bit of a misfire almost. It's like a little stutter, and in that stutter, after it gets going, if you got it in the water with back pressure, you can hear it. It's got like a pop to it almost. So what that sound is, it's kind of like an exhaust flap, and basically the engine, in my opinion, has a head gasket issue, and so we're going to do a leak down on it to figure out where that is. Probably getting water in one of the cylinders, or the head gasket between two cylinders has a little hole or something in it, so the compression or the exhaust or just any of the components of a 4-stroke, any one of those strokes, when it's going up and down or whatever, between maybe 6 and 5, if there's a hole there, then it's pushing into the other cylinder. And so now what we're going to do is leak down first. So once we do the leak down, that's going to tell us which hole is going on where, and then we're going to pull the power head off, pull the head off, and check that head gasket and change it if that be our problem.